For this recipe, we'll be making a Hawaii-style pork adobo. This isn't a Hawaii dish, but based on the traditional Filipino pork adobo dish. My take on what makes it Hawaii is we're going to use a key ingredient that's made in Hawaii, which is the Aloha Brand Soy Sauce. Aloha soy sauce has a milder taste compared to other soy sauces, making for a more balanced flavor in the adobo. If you don't live in Hawaii, you can get a bottle of Aloha soy sauce through the link in the description. Enjoy!